Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find and copy OKX UID. For that, you need to launch your OKX mobile application and then you need to make sure that by default you are on the Exchange tab. If you are on the Wallets tab, then you need to tap on Exchange in order to come to this page. Now, in order to find your UID, you need to tap on the top left hand corner of the screen, and here in the top you will be able to see your email address as well as the status of your account. So you need to tap on this section and you will be landed on the user signed up page where you will be able to get your UID. Now, in order to copy it, you just have to tap on the copy button right next to it, and this way you will be able to copy your UID. Now, how you can use this UID? So basically, with the help of this UID, you can receive your cryptos from another OKX user without having to pay any fees. So you just have to send them this UID and they can send you crypto without any fees. And you can even do the same by getting their UID number. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.